Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for eBay seller account. So here in eBay you want to go to selling. So of course you'll have to create an account and sign in first. You can use your Google right here or you can use your Apple ID for easier access. So next you want to go to selling once you have your own account and then you want to list an item. From there you want to tell them what you're selling, if it's a shoe, phone, bag, or whatsoever. See, like Kieran mentioned, so you want to have your model, details, ISBN, MPN, VIN number in the search box. So next, you'll have to set up your selling account. So you'll have to have your Payoneer account, sync eBay Payoneer profiles, and add your financial info. You'll have to submit your registration info from there, and then you'll get started. So next you will have your Payoneer account, phone number, then syncing, and then your financial info, and you'll have to submit this and they'll review it. So do you want to continue an individual account? You can do so right here and then press continue. Just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you actually just register for eBay seller account. It's just that simple. You'll just have to connect your Payoneer, sync profiles, add financial info, and then they will have to review this for a period of time. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.